Very good evening to all my students. Today I, Tarun sir, standing in front of you all is going to pick up a very important topic specifically for grade 11 CBSE board this year. And the topic is note making. This is the toughest topic included in the reading section of English language. So let's see that how are you going to actually prepare this note making. First of all, you would be getting an unseen passage. On the basis of unseen passage, you will have to draw a note making and a summary. So note making would comprise of 5 marks, summary would comprise of 3 marks. How to prepare a note making? First of all, mention an appropriate title after reading the passage. For example, in case if the passage is on COVID-19 outbreak in India, so this would be your title. After this, for example, in case if the passage is divided into 6 paragraphs, so what you will have to do is that this is my concept. This is how I teach my students. So it's up to you whether you follow it or not. Divide it by 2. So in the first 2 paragraphs, what you will have to do is that come up with a main point. Then draw a sub point. 1.1a. 1.1b, 1.1c. That's it. I hope there is no problem in understanding this. In case if you find this format to be very difficult, what you can do is that you can replace it with 1, that is main point, and straight away come to the sub points like A, B, C. Yes, this takes a lot of time, but both formats are accepted. In case if you go through the reference books also, you would find both the formats. Now I'll give you an example that how. Like for example, we don't have an unseen passage in front of us, but I'm assuming first 2 paragraphs. Imagine that the first paragraph talks about COVID-19 in the capital. Capital is obviously New Delhi. So this is my title for against main point. Then you will have to come up with 3 sub points. At least 3 sub points from the first 2 paragraphs. Let's see. So when the when the main point is over here, COVID-19 in the capital. So imaginary points. At that point of time, the unseen passage would be in front of you, students, so don't panic. For example, I'll write cases above 1 lakh. That's it. B point can be no signs of vaccines. Mind it. In the note making, we never write complete sentences. Am I writing complete sentences? No. You will have to be concise. You will have to summarize yourself. You should learn how to write short sentences. Use abbreviations. Avoid complete sentences. Avoid using of pronouns. And this is how you will construct. 1 main point, sub point, sub point, sub point. 2 main point, sub point, sub point, sub point. And 3, it goes on. So first 2 paragraphs over here, another 2 paragraphs over here, and the last 2 paragraphs over here. So this is how you will prepare a note making, but this is not an end, because after this you will have to draw a box in which you will have to write key to abbreviation, and from the unseen passage itself you will have to construct at least 5 abbreviations. For example, org.organization, everyone knows this. Example, E dot G, and is a symbol A and D. So this is how you make a note making, and on the basis of this note making you will have to prepare a summary. Follow the instructions very carefully, my dear students, because they clearly mention it that write a summary in not more than 80 words. I have seen maximum of students crossing the word limit. Keep watching my channel in the name of English by Tarun sir. I would post my another video and will solve a question in front of you all. Thank you so much.